Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a eye makeup tutorial perfect for beginners. So without further delay, let's get started. First things first, we want to make sure our eyes are prepped. Start by applying an eye primer to your eyelids. I'm using a concealer. This will help the eyeshadow last longer and prevent creasing. Just use a small amount and gently blend it over your eyelids. First, with the help of a applicator brush, I am applying the concealer, and after that, with the help of a damp sponge, I am blending it. Now, I am using a setting powder to set it. First of all, we are going to use a darker purple shade on the outer corner of the eyelid. I am taking a precise blending brush and applying this shade to the outer corner of my eyelid. Don't worry about being too neat here, just blend as you go. Next, I'm using this beautiful soft shimmery lavender shade. With the eyeshadow brush, I'm applying this on the top of this dark shade. You can layer this color to build up the intensity. Next, to line my lower waterline and upper waterline, I'm using a black eye pencil. Next, I'm using a blue shimmery shade to line the lower lash line. To really make the eyes pop, I'm going to apply a little yellow shimmery shade to the inner corners of the eyes. This gives a bright, awake look and makes the purple eyeshadow stand out even more. First, let's focus on the wing. Place a dot or short line at the outer corner to determine the angle of your wing. A good rule of thumb, follow the lower lash line and angle it towards the end of your eyebrow. Slowly connect the outer line to the main liner, creating a sharp upward flick. Now draw a thin line from the inner corner of the eye as close to the lash line as possible. Keep the line as even as you can. Don't worry if it is not perfect, yet you can clean it up later. Once you have got the shape, fill in the gaps to make the line as bold as you desire. Next, with the help of a brush, I am smudging it off just to give a smudging effect on the upper lash line. Now for the fun part, I am using this gorgeous lavender glitter to really make the eyes pop. I am applying it on top of the lavender eyeshadow to give it that sparkling effect. Next, before applying mascara, I am using an eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. Now let's finish off the eyes with mascara. Apply a couple of coats to both the top and bottom lashes to make your eyes look wide and open. And that's it. Your purple eye makeup look is complete. Super easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and feel more confident rocking a purple eyeshadow look. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more makeup tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see more beginner friendly looks. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.